others can lead to envy and dissatisfaction. Focus on your own progress and celebrate your achievements. Holding grudges can be detrimental to your emotional well-being. Forgiveness can be liberating and open the door to positive relationships. Overthinking and dwelling on negative thoughts can lead to anxiety and stress. Practice mindfulness and be present in the moment. Constantly second-guessing your decisions can paralyze you emotionally. Reduce anxiety by accepting that not everything is within your control. Comparar con los demás puede llevar a la envidia y la insatisfacción. Enfocate en tu propio progreso y celebra tus logros. Guardar rencor puede ser perjudicial para tu bienestar emocional. El perdón puede ser liberador y abrir la puerta a relaciones positivas. Pensa demasiado y obsesionarse con pensamientos negativos puede generar ansiedad y estrés. Practica la atención plena y vive el momento presente. Dudar constantemente de tus decisiones puede paralizarte emocionalmente. Reduce la ansiedad aceptando que no todo está bajo tu control. Perfections and recognize that nobody is perfect. Instead of striving for perfection, aim for progress and personal growth. Understand that making mistakes is a natural part of learning and growing. Cultivate self-compassion and be kind to yourself when you fall short of your expectations. Constantly dwelling on past mistakes or regrets can hinder your ability to enjoy the present and plan for the future. Reflect on your past experiences, acknowledge the lessons learned, and use that knowledge to make better choices in the present. Remember that you have the power to shape your future, and dwelling on the past won't change it. Excessive worry and anxiety about the future can rob you of joy in the present. Practice mindfulness and focus on what you can control today. Break your goals into smaller, manageable steps, and take one day at a time. Is essential for your happiness. Make time for activities that nourish your body and soul. Exercise regularly, maintain a balanced diet, and get enough sleep to prioritize your physical well-being. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga to take care of your mental well-being. Engage in hobbies and activities that bring you joy. Remember, self-care is crucial for your overall well-being. Material possessions and wealth don't guarantee lasting happiness. Invest in experiences and meaningful relationships instead. Shift your focus from accumulating things to personal growth and activities aligned with your values and passions. Constant complaining and negativity can harm your well-being. Cultivate a positive outlook by practicing gratitude. Reflect on the things you're thankful for and challenge negative thoughts. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people. It's a journey, not a destination. It requires ongoing self-awareness and effort. Commit to making choices that align with your values. Promote your well-being and seek help if needed. Remember, happiness is a continuous process. Take time to understand yourself and your needs. Prioritize self-care and mental health. Reach out to professionals or loved ones for support. You don't have to face unhappiness alone. Remember, your well-being matters.